Hello friends and welcome to my channel Knitting Kitty. In one of my previous tutorials I've promised you to show you how to create a mini tie. It's really easy to do. You will need a piece of felt or fabric and a small rubber band. At the end you will have a beautiful accessory for your amigurumis. So let's get started. First step, you need a carton or a cardboard, a pencil and scissors. Depending on the size of your amigurumi, draw on the cardboard a tie. It can be a small one or a bigger one. It's important to leave the upper part of the tie a little bit longer. We will need this part later. Then, using scissors, cut the cardboard template of the tie. Now, for the next step, you will need a piece of felt or a piece of fabric. You can use an old dress, a shirt or a skirt with colorful and funny print. Also, you will need a fabric marker. I prefer using a water erasable fabric marker. This way, if you make a mistake, you can always wash the felt or the fabric with water and start all over again. Now, take the carton template, put it on the back of the piece of felt or fabric, then outline the tie. Finally, using the scissors again, cut the tie. If it's needed, you can wet the edges of the fabric. This way the color of the marker will disappear. To finish our tie, we will need a small rubber band, sewing needle, thread in different color and scissors. First, using the scissors, cut just a little bit the two corners of the upper part of the tie. Then put the small rubber band in the middle of this upper part of the tie. Then fold it. Use a sewing needle and thread to sew both parts together in the way that the elastic band remains inside. our mini tie is ready. I really hope you've enjoyed my tutorial. See you soon!